Nice.
They're
Lovebirds.
talking.
I like
And I'm
it.
here too. Look.
Hi. I like
It's
it.
looking at the camera.
Looking at the camera. What are these lovebirds?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And over here. These are hamsters.
Hi. That's hi, cat.
Who's looking at the camera? Hi.
This one.
Hi.
Oh, this one is cute. So great. Look.
It opened it. It's meowing.
Oh, this is like my Ming Ming. My Ming Ming
This
when I was a
cat is
kid.
meowing. This cat is
And this one. You look like my Ming Ming.
Yes, we call this a zoo and a
Glowfish. They call this is glowing. Glowfish sunburst. Look, the neon color. Daddy, get this instead. The
They
glowfish.
cannot be with the fighting fish.
No, different bowl.
now.
Look at its mouth.
It's talking to me.
Lean on the glass, Jamaica.
It's talking to me.
It's talking to you. Don't lean on the glass.
Because its
grass-
mouth,
grass.
it's looking at me.
Say hi to mama. Goldfish. Comet goldfish. Are we at PetSmart? I like to go at PetSmart now. Because there's aquarium. Hi.
Hi.
What do you say? Hi? What do you call this fish? This bird? Where's
Cocktail. Cocktail.
what? Cockatiel?
$400.
Wow, so nice.
How about the
It
blue
sounds
one?
like
The
Cockatiel.
parakeet on the bottom.
Cockatiel, I think.
Ayan,
$400.
$29 sa baba.
Why you so expensive, huh?
Dito,
They're
naka-sale.
talking to
$400? Oh,
They're
gosh.
talking.
Which one is...
This one are $29.
This is $29. This is nice. Oh my.
Yeah, this one is a talking bird.
I like the $29. Which one's... You try to say hello. Oh, wow, this is only $29. I like this.
Hello.
This is like a Maya.
Say hello.
Oh, look. Are these sparrow? What do you call this, Daddy? These are parakeet.
Guinea pig.
So if we cannot go to the real zoo, let's just go to PetSmart. Look! It's cute, but I'm still scared. It's cute. Oh my. Wow, wow, wow. Look, look. Look.
So,
Oh my.
hi.
Oh gosh.
Ooh, this
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
this one looks like
Yeah,
an
I'm still
actual
scared.
pig.
I'm still scared.
This one looks like a pig and that one looks like a hog.
Looks like a pig and a
Hi.
hog. Wow,
Ooh,
wow.
this one's like, are they gonna adopt me or not?
Really?
Like the fish and the a smiling cat. Hi.
Oh my G. They're so cute, but no.
Down
No,
here,
thank you.
down here.
No, thank
Down
you.
here, mommy.
Oh, there's one more over there.
Ooh, and even this.
Scary. Scary and cute. Oh, it's going there. Oh, they got a hay. This is like a mini zoo. PetSmart is like a mini zoo. Oh my gosh. Yeah, yeah, it's coming, it's coming.